In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students of class 11th, today's our topic is scope of educational psychology. As you know, in previous lecture, we have discussed the term educational psychology. In this lesson, in this lecture, we shall try to learn the scope of educational psychology. In previous lecture, we have discussed education and psychology. These are two terms, are two words, while psychology means the study of behavior and education means the modification of behavior. So in this lecture, we shall discuss the scope of educational psychology with the help of these headings. The first one is study of development stages. There are different growth and development stages of a child, from infants to childhood to adolescence. This development, this growth, rate of growth and development at different stages must be known by the teacher so that he will teach them accordingly. Educational psychology helps the teachers to know this rate of growth and development at different stages and teach the students accordingly. So this will help us to know the ability of the students and teach them accordingly. Next one is study of individual differences. It is the known fact that no two individuals are same. Even twins are not same. There are individual differences. The child differs from one. The children differs from one another. They differ in their IQ, aptitudes, achievements, interests. So these things must be kept in mind while teaching the whole class. For example, if we have a group of students, the number of students, if it is a 20, the number of students may not be the same in every respect. So they may be different. So teacher must keep these differences in mind while teaching the whole class. Next one is study of behavior. As the psychology is the study of behavior, and psychology tells the teacher to study the whole behavior of the student before going to teach him something. So his social, mental, emotional, physical and mental behavior of the child in different situations of the learning can be studied with the help of knowledge of educational psychology. So educational psychology की मदद से हम इसके behavior को जान पाएंगे. लेकिन we cannot know the behavior of the child in one go. We have to provide him different situations because the students can react in different situations differently, so that we may know his interest, where he wants to go. Next one is adjustment. There is an adjustment problem. Some students are maladjusted in the class. This may be due to the IQ difference. This may be due to the lack of interest. And this may be something more than this. But the teacher must know the comfortability, the adjustment of the students, whether all the students are sitting comfortably, whether all the students are adjusted or not. He or she must know these things. Why the student are not adjusted? Why he is not feeling comfortable? What is the problem? So with the help of educational psychology, he can know the maladjusted or the uncomfortable students. The fifth one is measurement and evaluation. This educational psychology provides us different things, different measures to measure the. It provides us the new and effective techniques to measure the interested attitudes, interests, achievements of the students. So this helps us to measure the students' interests, IQ, achievements, etc. And evaluation on the part of the teacher. What strategies the teacher has taken, what methodologies, what devices he has taken to teach the students, how much he or she is successful, how much he or she is fruitful, what he has given. उसने जो कुछ दिया है वो किस हद तक इसमें कामयाब हुआ है, ये चीजें साइकोलॉजी उसको फराहम करती है कि आप अपने आप को इवैल्यूएट कीजिए. The next one is research. Research and educational psychology are related fields. Research, in every field, research is must, mostly in education, because with the help of research, we can bring some new innovations, new methodologies, and these methodologies will help us to overcome from these problems which are still in the way of teaching learning process. तो रिसर्च हमें नई चीजें फराहम करती है, क्योंकि बहुत सारी मुश्किलात अभी भी है और उन पे रिसर्च की जाती है, और रिसर्च के बाद वो नई चीजें जो इनको अडॉप्ट करना पड़ता है, और उन चीजों को जो इस टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस में हमें कोई परेशानी करती है उनको छोड़ना पड़ता है. बट इट इज ड्यू टू with the help of research. So research helps us to bring new innovations and new techniques. Hope you may have understood.